Deborah Janine Faculo Botengan, La Trinidad, Benguet. Joy May Pantanico Puto, Baoco Mountain Province. Samboy Calvo, Bogod, Benguet. Nathaniel Nagaisan Camille, Itogon, Benguet. Angelica Rose Lorena Kawili, La Trinidad, Benguet. Nadira Deron Casajuan, Marawi, Lanao del Sur. Myra Jane Dicam Casinto, Ato, Benguet. Sandra Bayas Catalino, Pugyas, Benguet. Amira Victoria Laza Chan, Mangkayan, Benguet. Nel Marlene Ho Carsola Clerigo, Baoco Mountain Province. Thank you, Dr. Ellen B. Donato. May I now ask Dr. Ignacio L. Galiente to continue distributing the diplomas for the graduates. Please give a round of applause as the graduates are receiving their diplomas. Thank you very much. Vanelli Jan Lanpod Comila, Sabaan Mountain Province. Kelly Jan Balangyaw Kumpala, Besao Mountain Province. Joan Ruth Gerlan Cornell, Itogon, Benguet. Baguio City. Fibilin Balisong Dagdagan, Sagada Mountain Province. Faith Layusin Dagson, Baguio City. Damon Vincent Nonsol Dagyakan, Baguio City. Calente Manodon Dalayon, na Trinidad, Benguet. Jaire Batalang Dalison, La Trinidad, Benguet. Janelle Rose Fabian Dawines, Bambang, Nueva Vizcaya. Crisea Amor Obao Dawan, Balbalan, Kalinga. Erica Kate Nabos David, La Trinidad, Benguet. Ruth Ann Busakay Dawaten, La Trinidad, Benguet. Ira May Dizon Dayag, Amadanan, Isabela. Ira Jean Padngaran Bicoyna, Bacon, Benguet. Sofia Joy Calusa de Guzman, Posorobio, Pangasinan. Tricia Lane Nalicao de los Reyes, Mangkayan, Benguet. Nicole Avery Pedrin Jaos, Kabayan, Benguet.
Locally and internationally. For our outstanding podium research presenter, Ms. Abirel D. Gampon. So this individual demonstrated exceptional knowledge, eloquence, and passion in sharing the findings of the research entitled Exploring the Decision-Making Experience of Families in Baguio City Regarding Do Not Resuscitate. Next award is Outstanding Poster Research Presenters. So these individuals showcase the research projects, supports with creativity, clarity, and innovation through posters. So may I call Nicole Manos Alilis. She received the first place award for the poster research entitled Illuminating the Unsighted Journeys of Visually Impaired Women During Puberty. Also, during the 15th Manila Doctors College of Nursing Research Congress. So she will be receiving a certificate of recognition from Mr. College and a gold medal. Another awardee for Outstanding Poster Research Presenters, Miss Mary Joy Tuason C. She received the second place award for the poster research entitled Traversing Roads of Coping Among Grieving Parents During Pandemic. Another certificate of recognition for the following, Miss Cindy Panelo Camongan, Mr. Godwin Pangsan Balang, Miss Darling Bagastino Bangilan, Miss Sophia Joy C. de Guzman, Mr. Harlan Anas Esteban, Miss Chris Ellen Wanchakan Gayad, Miss Justin Marie A. Limangan, Miss Angela Aninipot Pundogar, and Miss Irish Eliza Lintik Ugay. Their study entitled Starting Young, Navigating Pathways to Betel Kid Chewing Among School-Age Children was used or utilized by Baguio Health Service Office for their Smoke-Free Baguio campaign. So they will be receiving a certificate of recognition from Easter. Thank you, Ma'am Jessica. To continue, let's have also the Leadership Award. So for the Leadership Award, this will be given to a student who have shown exemplary leadership in student organizations and community activities as well. So please welcome Miss Deborah Janine Botengan. So may I call on the presence of Sir Carl Alonia to give the award. Next is for the Dean's Award.
So this will be given to students who rendered outstanding community service while studying at Easter College as recommended by the respective deans and departments.